Hey guys, just a quick video on how to solve two-step equations. Okay, so what are we thinking right now as we look at this equation? Thinking, isolate the variable, right? Now what's the variable we're trying to isolate? X, it's our only variable. So we're thinking isolate X. So now, our next thing is, we look at it and say, so what is keeping X from being by itself? And in this case, we have the 5, right? And then -2. Well, which one should we do first? Right, so we're thinking order of operations backwards, right? So let's take care of addition and subtraction first. So we've got addition, or this is subtraction. So let's add 2 to get rid of it. We do it to one side, we've got to do it to the other, right? And we're left with 5x, these cancel, right, equals 9. Okay, now we're still trying to get x by itself, right? 5 is still keeping x from being by itself. So 5 times x, how do we undo multiplication? Division. So let's do 5 divided by x, or 5 divided by 5, 5x divided by 5. And then do it to one side, gotta do it to the other, right? So then, now our final step, these cancel, and we're left with x equals 9 divided by 5. And this is our final answer. And I know it's a fraction, but we don't want to change it to a mixed number. We want to leave it like this, an improper fraction. And this is our final answer. So this is just a quick example of how to solve a two-step equation.